a fact, if I'm working at Waffle House, because people I know have already told me, if I'm working at Waffle House, they're coming to Waffle House to eat. I throw dinners at my house once a month. I serve 26 people. And I know anybody that's been to one of my dinners is going to be sitting there at the counter at the Waffle House trying to make me laugh, trying to make me screw up somebody's meal. And you know why? Because that's what I do to them. Because it's funny. You know it is. If you can get your friend to screw up at work, you know that's funny. I don't care who you are. I know I'm doing it. I don't have a problem changing somebody's code and making them think that they've made a huge mistake, letting them suffer through it until they figure out what went wrong. And that's how we learn, right? That's how we make ourselves better. If you're not making mistakes in life, you're not progressing. We all learn from mistakes. I mean, look at that guy. He made a mistake by buying a Harley. Hopefully by the time he gets to the other end of this road, he thinks, golly, everybody's riding Ducatis nowadays. Maybe I should get myself a Monster. That guy looked like he was having a lot of fun. Monster makes me smile a lot. This is my second time out on this set of tires. And with this new set of tires, and I went up 2 teeth on the rear sprocket. So I went up from 39 to 41. This bike is really responsive now. It was fast before. With the 39 tooth sprocket, it was fast before. But now when I roll the throttle on, it's all smiles. I almost want to say it's as fast as my 848. My 848, I went up 3 teeth. I'm running a 43 tooth sprocket on the back of my 848 instead of going down 1 tooth like everybody else does. Going down 1 tooth on the front sprocket wears out your sprocket just a little bit faster. If you don't believe me, try it. This Monster M1100 is the perfect bike for the Cherry-Hale Skyway. Alright, it is 9:37. Do you all want to go to the Deals Gap store? We're at the end of the Skyway now. We need to make that decision. Let's do it. Let's do it. See how long we can go before this video runs out. If you're watching this, thank you. I don't know how I'm going to label it, but thanks for clicking on it. I did a Skyway video last weekend. I was thinking about just posting the raw video up, haven't done really any shenanigans today. I think I might do that. Just post up whatever and let the few hundred people that actually click on it watch it. It's just, come on, you gotta admit this. I haven't been killing it out here, but I've been running a pretty good pace. There's been nobody on the Skyway. Yeah, let's go to the Deals Gap store. So here's Joyce Kilmer. We're gonna make a left and we're gonna go down into the Joyce Kilmer area. Can you go any slower? This road hasn't been traveled by a lot of people. Kind of dirty. But if I run out of battery, I know I'm not going to run out of memory, but if I run out of battery before this video ends, let me just tell you, we're going to go down here to the intersection and we're going to take the road on the right. You can go straight. Straight is kind of cool. You can check out the overlook up there. But we're going to take a right and go through the forest where all the camping and stuff is. That road's terrible. And then we're going to hit US 129. At the stop sign, we'll make a left and go up to the next stop sign, which will be US 129. And we'll take another left and we'll go to the Deals Gap store. I was going to head back home because I'm meeting my girlfriend Tracy later. But I don't feel like getting off this bike yet. And Joyce Kilmer, he was just calling my name. He's like, Mike, Mikey. So here we are. We're in the middle of the Joyce Kilmer National Forest. I know. Something else, right? My buddy's name's Tracy. And then Joyce Kilmer's a dude. His name's Joyce. What were his parents thinking? We're going to name our son Joyce. That's a manly name. He's going to grow up to be a very popular artist. There's a woman in Murphy, North Carolina, and her name is Joyce Kilmer. Alright, so over the little bridge, there's a four-way intersection here. We're going to take Joyce Kilmer Road. That Maple Springs overlook is a good place for you to visit. There's a lot of butterflies out here. A lot of dead butterflies on the road. Yeah, this is another place, this road sucks, just let me heads up, this road really sucks, but if you make it back in here, it's worth it. It's worth it. If you make it up to the top, to that overlook is worth it. So thanks for watching this video, straight up, thanks for watching it. YouTube does not pay me a lot of money to make these videos, like cents, not dollars, cents. And I'm not, I'm not a popular YouTube